microwaves, the final frontier. For years, man has used it to heat up food and popcorn. But few realize that there is more to the microwave than meets the eye. Discover the truth and unlock its secrets in this, the journey into the microwave. Our journey begins here. We are now zoomed in onto the microwave, but to truly understand it, we have to go even closer, as we will right now. This is our friend, Mr. Atom. He happens to be a hydrogen atom. This is his friend, Bill. He too is a hydrogen atom. Yay! Last but not least, this is everyone's friend, Walter. He, on the other hand, is an oxygen atom. When Mr. Atom, Bill, and Walter all clump together, they form H2O, a water molecule. Now, let's zoom out for a moment. Whoa. Here we are, back at our microwave. In space. Let's find out how it works. To do this, we must enter the microwave, where lies something so mysterious, it can only be described as a magnetron. A what? A magnetron. This is a magnetron. It heats the food. If we were to take it out of the microwave and slice it open, which you should never ever do, you might see something like this. But how do the inner workings of the inside of a magnetron work? Discover the truth and unlock its secrets in this, the journey into the inside of the inside of the inside of the microwave. Here again, we have the inside of a magnetron. Let's zoom in for a moment. This is our friend, Mr. Electron. He's just a regular electron. Zooming out, we see how he, and a myriad of others just like him, are emitted from this cathode. Under normal conditions, the electrons would travel outward, like so. But the electrons are all subject to a strong magnetic field, which is perpendicular to their movement. This makes them spiral outward from the cathode, like so.
Eventually, the electrons start to clump together, and they arrange themselves into a fan-like formation, similar to this. As the electrons sweep over these cavities, electromagnetic waves called microwaves are created. Some of these microwaves are then directed towards the food. As you just saw, the microwave was racing towards a slice of pizza, which was therefore about to be heated. But why would the microwave heat the pizza? Recall our water molecule consisting of Mr. Atom, Bill, and Walter. This slice of pizza contains thousands of molecules just like that one. Now keep that in mind as you consider the following. Let's call this water molecule Fred. He is about to get hit by this microwave. Oh no! Just like that. When this happens, the molecule absorbs energy from the microwave beam. The molecule is an electric dipole. This means it has a negative charge at one end and a positive charge at the other. The microwave beam supplies an alternating electric field. And trying to align itself with this changing field, the molecule shakes and spins about. This movement creates heat. This heat, in turn, heats the pizza. Multiply this concept millions of times for the millions of water and also sugar and fat molecules being affected by the microwave, and you are left with a slice of hot, steamy pizza. And that is how microwaves work.
Ça me sert de me mettre à l'envers, d'être en hiver, de rester là. Tu vois pas, tu m'entends pas. T'es dans ta tête, tu têtes ton épitaphe, ta grave du noir sur nos mouchoirs.